I want to try to give y'all a good view of the traffic here in Makati. Here in between all of these towers, right here in between all of these towers, there's a lot of construction workers, and there's also a lot of call center workers. And I tell you what, they're just shipping them out of here on buses, vans, shuttles, and these jeepneys. I mean, they're just loading hundreds, maybe thousands of people, and just transporting, and all these bikes keep slipping right through here. Oh, you probably saw all that smoke from that exhaust. They're old Jeeps that are transporting people. Look at all this traffic, you know. It's amazing. All right, so hopefully you'll keep watching the videos, and I'll keep on sharing. So until later, this is John and Parita. We love you, and God bless you.